This is Bernard, and welcome to our faytech booth. All right, I'm here to introduce you a few products at our faytech booth. We're here at the C-Touch in Shenzhen, in Hall 14. And come closer, here. So, I would like to show you first our IP69K stainless steel. This is our new innovation, which is complete water dust proof. This is the PC version. It has Elkhart Lake inside. You know, it has the standard Elkhart Lake configurations which we have on our standard aluminum frames. This version is 10.1 inch, but we also have it available then in several other smaller and bigger sizes. We also have the logic boards available in Android, for sure. We have a monitor version, so here you can see the 7-inch monitor IP69K, and we also have these all available in IP65 with standard cabling, which is very unique in the market right now. Moving on, so we have our 48.5-inch strip type. I think you probably saw it before from the videos. I think it was lemons in the other video, now it's coffee beans. And this is perfect for digital signage to catch the eyes of onlookers in retail, shopping malls, stores, grocery stores, just to get the attention in a very unique format, 16:3 ratio. Okay, let's move on. So here you have the whiteboard. So we have an 86-inch A311D2 whiteboard. This is our standard education screen. You know, it has all the buttons, connectors. It's equipped with Android 13, but you can also include an OPS. So it has a Windows 10 or 11 upon request. And for sure, this is also available in 75-inch and 65-inch. It can be wall-mounted, freestanding on a rollable stand. So there's a lot of options for this whiteboard, and it's already being used in the field across several countries. All right, moving on. So here is our modular front-back kit lineup. So we have for sure the front kits of the open frame, right? We have the open frame front kits, which is actually going to be available in standard brightness and high brightness, outdoor and indoor. So this is still in the roadmap. We have our clean looking aluminum frame, which is already available in all the sizes. So it has, you know, the front back kit where it can be connected. As you can see here, you know, it can be switched around based on what is required. This helps with warehousing and stock keeping and so on, and just easy project completion. And for sure we have our renowned rubber frame, which is actually also, you know, has been used at faytech for the past more than 10 years probably. All right, moving on. I'll move this way because there are people here. So here you can see our 43-inch curved, which is a very unique display. It's mainly used for the gaming industry, for example, casino slots. This is very attractive for these kind of applications where there's like a slot machine on it or so. It can also be used as similar as just the gaming. It can be mounted both horizontally or portrait. And all the LED option is for sure an option, so it can also be without an LED screen, right? Or a an LED strip. And yeah, it's just, you know, 10-point capacitive touch, optically bonded, which is very unique. Normally the ones that you see in the market now are mostly non-optically bonded because it's just so hard to do. It's much easier to do the optical bonding on a flat surface instead of on a bended surface. And we're able to do this in our factory in Huizhou, which is a very unique method, I would say, that we can apply it. All right, moving on. So here we have our transparent OLED kiosk. I think also you've probably seen it from our previous videos. You know, it has also the 10-point multi-touch, so it has the multi-touch. And well, you can see through it. So you can see, for example, now Alison speaking with a client, and it's really it changes the environment of the whole room. You know, it's not as compact. You know, you can see through it, light goes through it, but then again, you can still use the ordering machine. And this one is actually fitted with an Elkhart Lake mainboard as well, but for sure there are other options available. It can have a QR code reader, a payment terminal, receipt printer. So there's all the options available where for a very modern looking store, you want to have something like this. That's very unique, and it will definitely catch the eyes of people that pass by. All right, moving on. So this is our 43-inch A-Frame kiosk. And This one is actually full outdoor, so IP65, and it's fitted without a touch, but there's also touch options available upon request for sure. And the idea is that this can be used in a complete outdoor environment where the cabling goes inside. The connectors on the back are also IP65 rated. I think you can maybe zoom in on this here a little bit. So you can see these are IP65 rated. It's very easy to roll. It has the wheels, and overall it's just a very competitive product, because there's a lot of A-frame kiosks in the market, but not the high brightness outdoor versions, which is very unique for faytech. And for sure it has the optical bonding and so on as well. This is a monitor version, but it could also come in a PC version where the main board is mounted inside the product itself. All right, let's loop around. Some of our products here on the wall. So here you see this is our 21.5 inch, modular kiosk, I would also say. So it's like we have the modular solutions. All these modular products can also be eventually fitted inside of this kiosk. So if you want to have two portraits, if you want to have a portrait landscape, if you want to have a different back kit, if you want to have an Amlogic, you want to have an Intel-based product, it's all doable with this kiosk. And this is more for entrance control or visitor management systems or registration processes at hospitals, offices, retail, shopping malls, and so on. And for sure it has a RFID reader, it has a QR code scanner, it can have a receipt printer or a batch printer. So it's all very modular, and the idea is that we build one design and then it can be used for a 24 inch, for a 21.5 inch, for a 15.6 inch, for a 32 inch. And it's all fittable, retro fittable basically, so you can move it around. Moving on, so here we have for sure the Easy Shopper. I don't think I have to say too much about it. This is just a big success project in Germany itself. I don't know exactly how many stores by now it has been implemented, but it's all over Germany basically. And we're all, together with the team in Germany, we have been rolling these out for the past couple of years. And it's just a very unique display, 11.6 inch. It has a camera, it has a scale, it has a GPS locator, Wi-Fi, GPS, and it has for sure the charge port, so it has a charging rail on the bottom, but it can also be charged through the plugs. And overall, it's just a very successful project, which we hope to expand to other countries as well. Here you see a few of our unique component products, which is actually a very big market in China. So here, for example, you have the curved touch panel screen with cover glass, which again, very unique, as I showed with the curved there. It's just curved the other way around. So instead of this way, it's curved this way. And this is just a very, very interesting solution. So here you have our completely 100% made in China solution, which, it's just, the uniqueness is that it's very modular as well. So, and all the components are from China itself. This is very important when you want to deal business with the local government or the local companies here that in the military or other areas. Here, just lastly, we have here the 55 inch, which is also a very unique solution, which, it's quite heavy, honestly. But so this is, we have this available also in high brightness. We have this available optical bonded. This is all done also in Huizhou. We do the optical bonding, we do the mounting, and this has been used in several projects already in Germany, in China itself, for outdoor use, for semi-outdoor use. And so overall, this was our quick but powerful booth tour with all our product solutions we are showing this year. And for sure, if you want to learn more, let us know. Like, comment, subscribe on the videos. And thank you for watching.